Hello, we are the Pass for Sales team. As a team, we sum up more than 10 years of experience in sales and management in countries and markets like Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Peru, Mexico, and Colombia. Let me introduce my team. I'm the CEO, Andres.
Hi, I'm Jasnaya, I'm the COO.
And I'm Raquel, I'm the CMO.
Our product provides startups the platform to increase sales and pay only for results.
We aim to disrupt the B2B scene by connecting companies with the best sales experts of each market, willing to expand their client base and operations.
And in the last 12 months, we validate the idea, we launched and sell the MVP and beginning the generation of traction.
We know that the world is full of good ideas, solutions, and products, but the only thing separating them of really converting in a reality is having clients. That's why here in Pass for Sales, we want to do that.
In Pass for Sales, we are really looking forward to be part of Startup Chile. Bye bye!
Bye-bye.